Hello friends. I know I said I wasn't going to do a bunch more haul videos and then I need to start showing you what I actually have made, but I did have this arrive from Love From Lizi and I thought you guys might want to check it out. I do have one other order coming, I think just one more soon, and then I'm actually going to try not to order anything for a little bit and focus more on making. But this one was too fun to not share with you. So this is mostly the Love From Lizi March kit, and maybe this is February. That's actually, I think it's March. Anyway, I will. It's February. Okay, sorry. February 2021 kits. I knew I needed to check that out. So it has definitely a little hint of St. Patrick's Day to it. It's called So Lucky. And I've kind of been enjoying playing with the St. Patrick's Day stuff lately. I have said before, so I am definitely of Irish descent. And I love shenanigans, and then my birthday's in March, although it is before St. Patrick's Day. I tend to love spring as a whole. I have a lot of Easter stuff too because I really love spring. But I hadn't done much with St. Patrick's Day before this year, and I've been enjoying playing with it. So let's show you what I got. I'll put a few of these to the side. I'll pull them back out. So the first one, let's do, this is what came in the kit. So these are the cardstock, and then there is a thing of the peel off stickers. If you're not familiar with these, they're just really fun. You can add, it's just a little thin line, or they have some that are a little thicker. And it's a great way to add a, you know, like a border or just a strip, as where normally you add a whole sheet of paper when you're trying to, you know, have kind of an edge of something for mounting. And this is a great way to do it without needing to add all of that weight. It's thin, they're pretty easy to use, and they come in a variety of colors. I love this orange though, especially the orange mirror, especially to go with this kit. So it had those, and then it has a few different cardstocks. So some black, orange, green. I think that's actually a light gray, and then white. And Lizi always includes a white that is Copic friendly. So if you're like me and you like to color, that's a great perk. And I like to use the other sheets for mounting. So I don't use these as my card bases. I use these to mount my pattern paper on, and then the one sheet to do some coloring. And then there were some add-on options, and I actually chose both, chose to order pretty much all of the add-ons. So it does come with, and I apologize, I don't remember what's in the actual kit and what's an add-on. I'm just going to show you what I got. I don't even know if it's still available to order. If you do order things from Lizi, I will caution the shipping is a little bit higher. I was fortunate. I have a friend who gets the kits every month, and she was generous enough to allow me to add them to her kits, and so I saved on shipping. Look how beautiful these are. That gold mirror, it's probably adding a lot of shine to your, and then that's another gold, just a slightly different one. Very pretty. And then this black, oh, there's actually silver, sorry. And then black, and they have like a shimmer, which I don't know that the camera really picks up. And then another type of gold with a shimmer and an orange shimmer. green shimmer, and then this beautiful, I'm loving kind of brown with shimmery lately. So that is a beautiful, beautiful pack. And then it, you know, it came with this gold or this orange mirror. One of the things that I actually purchased, this wasn't an add-on, it was just something that Love From Lizi sells that I have been wanting. And so I personally chose to purchase it, is this brown mirror. And look at, aren't those pretty together? I did also purchase this pink and gray, which don't really coordinate with this, but they would look beautiful with the winter set. Cute little polar bears that I've shown on my channel that I'm going to be working on. And so that's more of where I plan to use those. But look how pretty these are together. I love them. So in addition to that specialty sets, I also have this one. Oh, again, look at that beautiful shimmery. It's similar, but a different shimmer. So this might have been what came with the pack. I'm not sure. Beautiful though. All shimmery. Actually looks very similar to this, but not exactly the same. I don't know. I'm going to have a lot of fun with it either way. So that's a lot of fun cardstocks. And then my cute peel-offs. And then it did come with, came with a set. I want to say it came with this set and that these were add-ons, but I'm, again, not sure. So, but lots of fun peel-off options for these kits for sure. So there's all of those. Then let's take a look at this So Lucky paper. So that's just the first one telling you it's from Love From Lizi, and it's February. Look at this beautiful, these florals. They would not need to be St. Patrick's Day at all. Some fun bows, could be St. Patrick's Day, don't need to be. These are coffee, and then, you know, other drinks. I think that might be a stack of cookies. And the shoes, those are kind of fun for St. Patrick's Day. Again, doesn't have to be. Similar with this. Those clovers are a little bit more St. Patrick's Day than probably some of the others. Beautiful florals. These clovers almost just look like flowers. And then they're mixed in. Another coffee set. I love the different plaid stripes. Look at this. It has kind of almost a gold look, but it's just a flat paper. These are fun. Oh, and then look how sparkly. See, this looks super sparkly, but it's just flat. There's no like glittery mess or rough texture to it or anything like that. It just kind of looks like glitter. And so that's the whole set. Just a fun paper pad that's going to look great with all of those other options. Looking forward to showing you this, to making stuff with it, and then showing you that. And then it does have a stamp set. So the stamp set, again, says So Lucky. It has the friend holding up a clover with coffee, the coffee. Sometimes I wonder how we got, and then you could add So Lucky, our lives, so lucky our lives cross paths, so lucky that good coffee and you exist, so lucky to know you, I'm so lucky to call you friend, so lucky and so very grateful, and we're so lucky. So there's a lot of fun options to go with the So Lucky and friendship and a little touch of coffee in those. And then again, following the same theme, here's an ephemera pack. I'm just going to quickly kind of pop through these. I think they all are pretty similar. So the two friends, and they're holding up like a heart with their hands. And again, there's, oh, and it has some little clovers and coffees that are kind of falling out. So just a mix of those. There's a bunch of these different two friends, but all different hair colors and hairstyles. And that, just the hand, coffee, the shoes, a wreath, another wreath, another clover hand with coffee. And then, like, I like that there's like different skin tones, different hair colors, some bows. I've got more coffees falling out. So just a heart. Yeah, I think that's a heart. A few more friends. Some flowers. More flowers. That stack of, I'm not sure if they're cookies or coins. More bows, flowers, another hand. And I think it's like a martini or something. And then we have, I'm gonna put those away real fast so I don't make a mess with them. And then there is the embellishment pack. So it has some washi tape that actually matches the paper, which is fun. I've taken to using that to seal cards on the back. And then there is a die set that goes with the stamps, which I know a lot of you would appreciate, because although I can tolerate fussy cutting, I know a lot of you do not. This cute set of ribbons. Look at all those coordinating ribbons. Lots of options there. A little pack of the various bling or sequins. And you can get a full-size pack of this as an add-on, but I personally, I just use a few pieces here and there typically on something, unless I'm doing a shaker card. And even a shaker card, I don't put a ton in. So this was a good fit for me. I didn't need a ton. Then she has these little wood pieces, little clovers. Those are kind of cute and fun. And look at these. I love this orange sparkle. I don't know how well you can see that there, but these are just, enamel dots are popular. You can get them a lot of places, but I haven't seen anything in these colors. I'm just loving that the colors are a little different than a lot of what's out there. It's nice to have something a little different. So the other thing that I ordered, I already showed you that I had ordered some additional peel off stickers. Actually, and I'm gonna throw this in here and show you again. For those of you that have been following, that I've kind of got a rose gold obsession going. Wouldn't that be fun with that rose gold stuff too? I know it's not actually rose gold, but I think that blush pink would look super cute with a lot of those rose gold products. So watch for that coming up. And then the other two I got, and I actually got these to go with the winter items that I had, the cute little polar bears and penguins. And they are embossing powders. And so one is Teal Lagoon embossing powder, and it's this green color. And then the other is Baby Blue Party embossing powder. And again, thought it would go well with that. But actually, now that I look at these, the blue, maybe not so much. That may not, it could work with these. But I think this Baby Blue Lagoon, I'm thinking you could emboss these in Baby Blue Lagoon. Or sorry, Teal Lagoon. The baby blue. This is the baby blue. Sorry, I'm mixing them up. Teal Lagoon. I'm thinking those could be that color. And work with these. So that might be fun. So that is my stuff that I ordered. As I've said in the last few videos, I've been ordering quite a bit, but they do kind of coordinate. I have some themes going that they fit with. And if you saw my last video, you know that there's a lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff, and I think they can mix and match a lot with this. And I did get a few items that will work with some of my other Christmas stuff. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.